You've reached the Meka Show. Hey, hey. The Meka Show. Wait till I put this on wax, as they say. Because I'll put that on the studio. It ain't going to be just the Meka Show. It's going to be like, you know what I'm saying, a little motherfucker intro song to this hoe. I am so ready to go to the studio. And I'm going to even probably have my sons, you know what I'm saying, they rap, had them in the background, you saying, doing some shit. This shit about to be a production. I'm telling you, stick with me because this show is only going to get more and more better, honey, because once I get them, all that shit y'all be seeing on these people YouTubes, I guess that's when y'all really plan to subscribe to me. Like, I got to goddamn do all that shit just for y'all to subscribe to me. Like, I can have 3,000. I got a video, got over 5,000 viewers. Plays. Why the fuck I only got 31 goddamn subscribers? Like, and this got likes on there like a motherfucker. Y'all don't like and want to see the rest of me? Y'all just want to see that one goddamn video? Listen, let me tell y'all something. Let me get to the subject at hand. Okay? Let me get to the subject at hand because I'm high. And I'll fuck around and forget what the fuck I was going to say. So let me get there because that shit right there is coming from y'all coffers. Okay? That's including my motherfucking grandkids. But I tell you one goddamn thing. I only go to 2 places. Sometimes 3. That's home and fucking work. And sometimes to the store. I gotta go get some sea moss. I suppose I had went to work today. I mean, I was gonna call in and see if I could go to work today because I know that they need to be, you know what I'm saying, because it was Black Friday. And I know these motherfucking people's out there and they needed me to come make some biscuits. But when I woke up, because I stayed up late last night making some content for y'all, some new content. Y'all need to go check my shit out, okay? Because I made new content, okay? I made a bunch of shorts because y'all got a short goddamn attention span, so I made a bunch of shorts. Originals. Anywho, so I was up late till like 4 in the morning, past 4, you know, because I'm trying to get to sleep. I woke up, it was too goddamn late. When I woke up, when that fucking alarm went off at 8 or 9 o'clock, whatever time I set it for, 100 check my eyes. It felt like some damn lemons had been squeezing that shit. Some lemon juice. I said, went back to sleep. I woke up, it's almost 11. Anyway, make a long story short, I ain't go to work. Because when I had woke up, I said, hold the motherfucking press, bitch. Hold up, are you fucking kidding me? I ain't claimed what I had been feeling even, you know, Wednesday when I was at work, my last day of work, you know. It's just so many people there that's sick. So many people there that's not there that's sick. It's just sick shit. You know what I mean? I mean, they got air and all that to pull them motherfucking germs out, but when somebody talking to you and things, you know, that's a different goddamn shit. When you got grandkids that come around, you know, you got to hug all of them. That's some different shit. And I got 3 of them. And when one get well, the other was sick. Then you know what I'm saying? And then it just reversing all this shit. So it's always coughing. Y'all motherfuckers take care of y'all goddamn self. You fucking take care of your goddamn kids. Not to say that they ain't, but goddamn. Shit. Keep the motherfuckers home. Y'all stay home. Shit. I mean, if you can't make money, you can't make money. Because I'm telling you, I don't like that shit. I've been CMOS. I done CMOS twice since I've been up today. And I'm going to CMOS soon as I damn stop videoing this shit because my throat is scratchy. But guess what? I'm going to work tomorrow. But I'm going to put a mask on because I ain't even trying to damn. I don't want to ingest anything else that I've already ingested from nobody. Even when my grandkids come on here, I'm going to put a mask on. Because I don't want them little girls giving me shit. I don't want to be sick. Okay? Period. Who the fuck gonna take care of me? Whoppers. It's my goddamn man. Fucking at night. Shit, I sleep with food in here. What keeps me goddamn comfortable and goddamn cozy. But right now, I probably wouldn't even want nobody in my face. Because what I'm trying to get rid of that I'm not claiming that ain't came, I don't want nobody to have. But anyway, y'all keep y'all fucking nasty ass germs to yourself. Just including my grandkids. I don't want that shit. I don't want nothing. Okay? Anyway, make sure y'all do what? It's 3 things. Yeah. Subscribe, share my shit, and turn your notifications on. Because it goes down where? The Meka Show. 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 Y'all got to tune in to the Meka Show. Okay? Okay.